They have always told me since I was a lad that I'm the worst sorcerer the kingdom's ever had. Whenever things go wrong, King Roland simply stands and claims it must be Cedric that's to blame.
Oh, it was many years ago that I served as your apprentice. I worked my wings off every day till my magic grew momentous.
Anytime I try to cast a little spell, no one thinks it turns out very well. But that won't last for long. It's time for me to make my claim. Soon everyone will know my name.
Yet you never let me look at your most wonderful possession, a secret book of spells that soon became my sole obsession.
All I need to do is swipe that amulet, then I will show them who I am, you bet. Once I have the jewel, I can use its power to take the king's crown. It'll be my finest hour.
Was such a bore being fairy number 4. You treated me like your own kettle. It would be far more fun being fairy number 1. So won't you make way for Miss Nettle?
They can tell me I'm no good and call me second rate, but soon they'll see I'm meant to be King Cedric the Great.
I'm like a pretty rose, but be forewarned. Mess with Nettle and you will get the thorn. I'll be as famous as Maleficent, but 23 times more magnificent. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. You're too kind.
When I'm the king, everyone will bow and only do the things King Cedric will allow. Every spell I cast will always go as planned, and those who used to tease me will be at my command. Thank you, boys.
Darlings, it was such a bore being fairy number 4. And now I have a score to settle.
One trick will show them all. Cedric isn't second rate. He kissed the ring of our new king.
It will be so much fun being fairy number 1. So won't you make way for Miss Nettle?